I am so excited to be here today. I'm Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. You're going to learn here today, you're going to learn some basics. You're going to learn some intermediate and some more advanced skills. Get comfortable taking pictures and take pictures of the presenters. Take pictures of me when I'm presenting. Take pictures of what you see up on screen. Share those on social media, specifically on LinkedIn. Tell people what you're learning. And this morning's presentation is focused on optimizing your LinkedIn profile, and I called it Back to Basics. And this is going to be a refresher perhaps on some things that you are already doing on your LinkedIn profile and perhaps some things you never thought about as well. Growing. Lots of growth that's happening right now on LinkedIn, so it's definitely the place to be regardless of what industry, profession, wherever you're at in any stage of your business. But my hope is that you'll listen, learn, consider which of these techniques will work best for you, and then you'll put those in place for yourself. What I want you to keep in mind as we think about optimizing our profile is think about a sculptor, and a sculpture is as much about what they take out is what they keep in. So they start with like kind of a slab of marble or metal, and then they carve things out of it. And the more focused that can be, then you've got this work of art. And I want you to think about your LinkedIn profile the same way. You're writing your LinkedIn profile for your ideal target audience. I'll show you a couple examples here in just a second there. Your background image that's behind your headshot, look at your profile right now. My guess is about half of you had the teal blue with the dots and the lines in it, and that's the default. You can and you should change that. And it says edit your custom URL. There's a little pencil icon next to it. Okay, so you can clean that up a little bit. Okay, thank you.
You can just delete whatever.
You can delete out the gobbledygook characters, and what I like to do is just leave in first name, last name. If you're John Smith, you might need to do John Q. Smith, but try to make it as simple as possible, and that way it's easier when you put it on your business card or your resume or sales collateral. It's easier for people to get to your profile. Okay? Yeah. Oh, round of applause even. Thank you.
I sent her a message.